Hello children, Corona is spreading throughout the world. Stay safe. Wash your hands with soap and water frequently. Cover your nose and mouth with a mask. Stay 6 feet away from others. Sanitize your hands whenever you cannot wash your hands. Disinfect the surfaces frequently. Isolate yourself if you are affected from corona. Dear parents, even though you are vaccinated, follow the precautionary measures. Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to cognitive class. In today's cognitive class, we shall work with the cognitive practice book. In the cognitive practice book, let us open page number 4. In page number 4, we have an activity to draw the same pattern and its mirror image in each row. In the first row, we have few patterns to write. We have to copy the same patterns in the second row. We have to write the mirror image of the pattern which is written here in the third column. One has been already given for you with the dotted lines. Help your child to trace it. And then we shall move on to the next one. Dear parents, if your child feels difficult to draw the lines or patterns by its own, please help your child to draw it by putting the dotted lines. Let the child trace them. Here, the first pattern is a triangle. Let us draw a triangle. Yes, this is the shape which is given here. Now here I have to draw the mirror image of this triangle. The mirror image is one which will be exactly opposite to the given pattern. Yes, this is the mirror image of this pattern. Let us write one more. You can use a bangle to draw this hemisphere. I'll draw the mirror image of this here now. Exactly the opposite one. So, hope you will continue the activity. Dear parents, if your child feels difficult, as I have told you earlier, kindly help them with the dotted lines to trace. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity. In the same page, trace the names of the solids. So, here I would like to introduce the solids here. Shall we name the solids? Then we shall move on to the tracing work. Let me introduce the solids which are given in book. The cone. This is the cone. It just resembles the ice cream cone, children. Cube. Cube, cube. Prism, prism. This is a prism. Cylinder. This is a cylinder. ovoid. This is your ovoid. Cuboid. The cuboid. This is your cuboid. Pyramid. Children, this is your pyramid. Pyramid. Ellipsoid. This is ellipsoid. Ellipsoid. And sphere. You can see the difference between ellipsoid and sphere, children. It is just in a spherical shape, just like your ball. But the shape of ellipsoid is different from sphere. You can observe the difference. So, these are the shapes which are given to trace. In page number 4 in your cognitive practice book. So, now we have seen the shapes. Now we shall trace the names of these solids. I'll just read it for you, children. You have to trace it on your own. Cone, cube, prism, cylinder, ovoid, cuboid, pyramid, ellipsoid and sphere. After completing this, let us move on to page number 5, where we have an activity to create the shapes using the given instructions. We have an activity to create the shapes using the given instructions. Here we have few activities to create the shapes given. Let us see what we have to do here. The first statement is to create the square using 4 triangles. Let us see how we can create a square with 4 triangles. We have to create a square using 4 triangles, for which I have taken the paper cuttings of 4 different triangles. Now let us see how we can make a square using this. Yes. Here is our square. The square. We shall see how we can help out the child to create the rectangle using 2 squares. Here we have a square and one more square. If we join 2 squares, we'll get a rectangle. Let us move on to the next one. To create the triangle using 1 hexagon. Hexagon is a shape which have 6 sides. Let us count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 sides in this shape, so we call it as hexagon. Here we have to create a triangle using 1 hexagon and 3 triangles. We have to use 3 triangles to create a triangle. Using hexagon and 3 triangles, we have to create a triangle. Let us see how we can. I have taken an hexagon. Now we shall arrange it to make a triangle. Here is a triangle. 3 sides and 3 corners. The triangle. Let us move on to the next one. Create the hexagon using one rectangle and two triangles. We have to create the hexagon using a rectangle and two triangles. I have taken a rectangle. Now I am taking two triangles, which makes the hexagon. Let us count the sides, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As I have told you, the shape which has 6 sides is called a hexagon. So we have created it. Dear parents, kindly help your child to create the given patterns. You can help out with a piece of paper as I have did now. After creating the shapes with the given instructions, also help your child to trace the shapes given. After this, let us move on to the next activity. Draw the missing parts and complete the picture of the fish. We have a picture of fish here, the complete picture, and here we have few work to do. Dear parents, kindly help your child to complete the work. After completing this, let us move on to page number 6. Color the solids used to create the structure in each box. In this box, we have used cuboid and cone. So, color cuboid and cone. In the next structure, cube and cylinder has been used. So, color cube and cylinder. Also help them to name it. Cube and cone. Here is a cube and cone. Color them both. Also help them to name it. Cylinder and pyramid. Cylinder and pyramid. Help them to color these two solids and help them to name them. After completing this, we have one more activity to draw the missing parts and complete the picture of the turtle. Here is a picture of turtle. By looking over this picture, we have to complete the missing parts in this turtle. Dear parents, kindly help your child to complete these activities in page number 4, 5 and 6. Thank you.